Tony.
There's a break in there. Come on, break.
What's your 20, buddy?
Everton, what's yours?
Forward. What's Center City, Philadelphia, Roger?
Roger. What's the old handle?
Dollar 1, Comstock Kid, Roger.
Oh, 10-4, Comstock Kid. This is Tiny out here in Havertown. 10-4.
10-4 there, Tony. 10-4. Yes, I have the copy up there.
Oh, not too bad. Coming up here about a 10.
All right, well, I'm a little late to the party here with this review. So we got a JFK III from President, but I was told to do a review, so here I am. Late or not, it still will help maybe somebody if I give my review and my thoughts on this radio. Maybe you're thinking about buying it, maybe, you know, whatever. So I was told to just put it through all my tests, and at the end, just give my final thoughts on the radio. So that's what I'm going to do. We'll, for those who know the channel, you know exactly the series of tests I do. And for those who don't know, we just do a receive sensitivity test, a transmit test, put her on the scope, see how well it looks on the scope, and you know what, we'll even put her on the spectrum analyzer, see how clean we have output from this radio. So yeah, without further ado, I'm going to get this open. I don't really do unboxing, but I will tell you what's included with the radio based on, you know, what I see here. It's a pretty cool radio. If you like, if you are a fan of the lights and a big display, I actually am. I like the big display, especially if you're in a vehicle, especially a truck. So yeah, let me get this thing open. All right, so you get the sticker, manual, mic, the bracket and the means to mount it into a mobile setup, power cord, spare fuse. So the 2 + 3 years warranty. So for those who don't know, so the radio is warranted for 2 years automatically. You can get an extra 3 years if you buy a President antenna along with the radio. So you get a total of 5 years warranty, which is really awesome. A lot of manufacturers don't offer that type of warranty, but my mobile setup in my truck, I have a President Lincoln 2 Plus with a Virginia mobile antenna, the mag mount, and it is great. I think I have a video of my mobile setup on my channel somewhere, so for those who are interested, you can just go back and watch that video. But yeah, so that's the thing behind the 2 + 3 year warranty with President radios. So yeah, that's what's included. Pretty standard, you know, there's nothing special here. So let's get to the radio itself. All right, there we have it plugged in. So rather than me going through every single option on the radio, let's just look at the box and you guys can actually see what's available. So you can change the display into 7 different colors. This does have a scan feature where you can obviously scan all 40 channels, but you can set through the menu, you can set channels to skip. This is compatible with the Bluetooth mic and a Digi mic. I strongly suggest upgrading to a Digi mic if you're going to be using this in the mobile setup. It does have the Vox, noise reduction, automatic SWR meter, and the automatic squelch control. And then we look on the back here. Those are all the functions of the radio. So like we had stated before, automatic squelch, you have the display, AM, FM, weather. So this does have the weather and the alert. So if there's a weather emergency and you have alert set to on, it will send an alert to the radio, which is pretty cool. Scan dual watch, that's for watching 2 channels. Emergency channels, so you can actually set those as well. You do have a USB port. Let's see here, and you also have a jack for the optional Vox mic. So that's right there in the back of the radio. It does have PA and external speaker port, so it is a full featured radio. Yeah, let's get to it. I'm going to go ahead and plug this in, and we'll go, I'm sorry, I'm going to put this into the dummy load, and we can start our tests. Stand by. I have this set to green because I think it shows up the best, at least with my camera. But when you first get this, the display is orange by default. But anyway, the covers are off. I thought we'd just, do two things at once here. There is nothing that anybody can touch in here to adjust anything. So, for those looking for a like a peek and tune type thing, that's it. There's nothing that can be done with these radios, and that's a good thing. But you got the speaker light here that you can also turn on and off, which turns green when you have an incoming reception, or turns red when you're modulating. Audio, check. So you also get the red ring, and that turns, like I said, that turns green, and that turns green as well when you have RX coming in. So yeah, that's pretty much it. You have this the menu buttons here. Everything is pretty much self-explanatory. So you have AM, FM, hold it down for the weather, and then I think there's 7 weather channels. So there's that. And to go back, hold the button down. We'll stay at AM, the scan feature. And then obviously you can do a scan skip. And they have the ANL noise blanker, and they also have a high cut. And then the emergency button is the USB. And then the automatic squelch is the squelch knob itself. So you can see how it turns green when the automatic squelch is off. So yeah, that's really about it. So yeah, 4 watt, just on 3.8 watts. That's what's advertised, and that's exactly what is there. 3.8 watt carrier. And we have a check. Audio, check. Audio, check. So it swings to about like 15 or so. It's going to be, if you just want a good, clean radio, this isn't going to be doing crazy amounts of power, but it's not meant to do crazy amounts of power. It's just meant to have nice, clean audio. Check. Sorry, my controls are a little dirty. So yeah, you can have nice, crystal clear audio. So let's take a look at this on the spectrum analyzer. Center frequency, we'll do like 27.2. 1 megahertz per division. We'll do 5. Okay, nice and clean. We'll go back to 1. We'll go out to the 54. Yeah, nice and clean. That's what you expect from a radio like this. And back to the fundamental. So just a super clean transmitting radio. So now let's do receive. We'll do a receive sensitivity test, and we'll put it on the antenna. No reason to make this video longer than what it needs to be. Alright, so I have an S9 going to her. And you can see that the green lights up. Actually, the screen and the speaker and the ring around that mic jack, they all match, but for some reason on the camera it doesn't. But you can see here it's off by 1 block, because this goes by 2. So this is an S9, but on the radio it's showing up as an S7. But like I said before, technically it's only one bar, so I think it's within margin of error. So, but anyway, there's an S9. Let's do a sensitivity test here. You guys are zoomed out. All right, it's minus 70, minus 80, it's minus 90, minus 100. That's minus 110. Okay, let's go to 12. Right up there. Call it that, so minus 110, 11, 12, like 13. Minus 113 dBm, so it's better than most radios. I wouldn't say incredible ears, but pretty damn good ears. Considering, you know, minus 110 dBm is about par with my equipment here, so yeah, minus 113. So that's a good listening radio. All right, I'll get the covers back on, and I'll put her on the antenna and yeah, see what's going on there. All right, we're on the antenna. You know, you can shut this light off if that's not something you're into, and yeah. Yeah, let's shut that beep off. Roger, beep's already off. NRC. Can also set NRC on transmit and receive. Okay, 0. It's probably where we would want it for right now. Dual watch set, so if you want to do a dual watch on 2 channels, that's to set the mic. So if you change the mic out to, you know, whatever other mic, you can change it here to a regular mic or electric mic. Let me go back again. Vox, PA, SWR. So that's the speaker light, so you can turn that off or on. I actually like it, so we'll leave it on. And I think everything else, that's if you want to, I believe that's if you want to change, disable the up and down keys on the mic. And that's the master reset. But here's the colors, I guess. We can go through them. I don't know how well it's going to show up, but actually the yellow shows up pretty well. That's how the radio comes, as orange. Green, blue. All right, we'll leave it at yellow, actually. I think it's showing up best on the camera here. Okay. We don't want emergency. Okay. That's what the automatic squelch on. It probably would come in real, like, handy if you're talking to somebody like right next to you. You can kind of just mute out all the other channels, I guess. Maybe that's one scenario for using it, but we'll leave it off for now. So that's really flickering. It's not the camera. It's kind of like a modulation light for receive, you know, consider it that, as well as for transmit. It's about 11. .320 Massachusetts, waving a hand. Who's got a copy on 320 Massachusetts? .320 Massachusetts, waving a hand. Who's got a copy on 320 Massachusetts? Old bushwhacker didn't get a copy on me. Alright guys, well, my final thoughts on the radio. I like it if you're looking for something basic, if you just want to, honestly, if you're looking for a replacement for a like a Cobra 29 or like something along those lines, you don't really care about, you know, pushing too much power, you just want a utilitarian type of radio that's actually looks good, this is the radio for you, honestly. It's got the front firing speaker, so you can actually put this in a dashboard or like a cubby hole or in a console. You don't have to worry about like the bottom firing speaker getting muffled. So that's a plus. I really like that. The big display, frequency counter on the bottom. You really can't go wrong. The only thing I would recommend is, honestly, almost a necessity, is upgrading the mic to a Digimic, and you're going to notice a big difference just in modulation. But anyway, yeah, so there's my thoughts and review of a President JFK III FCC. I think it's a great radio. If you're in the market for this type of radio, this one might be the one for you. These are available on my website. I am a President authorized dealer, so there's that. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys.